Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a platform that's creating a lot of buzz as we head into 2026, Toolhouse.ai. If you're looking for the easiest way to build and deploy AI agents without getting lost in complex code, you are in the right place. We're going to explore exactly what this best AI agent builder is all about, according to its users, and give you a detailed overview of its core promise.
So, what is Toolhouse? Based on the information from their site, it's a platform designed to turn your plain English ideas into fully functional AI agents. Think of it as a bridge between your concepts and a working AI. Starting at the very bottom, there is a completely free sandbox tier, which costs absolutely nothing per month and is designed for getting started, allowing you to work on public projects and build unlimited agents, though you are limited to just 50 agent runs. The next step up is the Pro plan at $10 per month, which is aimed at individuals and startups and dramatically increases your allowance to 1,000 agents per month. And this is where things get really interesting because it builds on everything in the basic tier and adds some seriously powerful features like 1,000 credits per month, the ability to perform powerful web scraping and search. Finally, for larger organizations with custom needs, there is the Enterprise plan, which requires you to contact their sales team for pricing. And this top tier includes everything from the business level plus dedicated support, a completely custom setup tailored to your specific requirements, the option for on-premise deployment, private and secure data hosting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.